Welcome to my life. And now, power up! Let's keep going. I feel a bit off.
This was me in school. I was always making trouble. I would shout in class, and when she corrected me, I just got angry. No!
Please clean your room now.
No, I won't!
He was so angry. But disaster was waiting. He scraped his knee. It hurt so much. Anger can hurt both our hearts and our bodies.
I'm sorry, Mom.
I forgive you, sweetie.
I'll control my anger.
His mother showed him 2 glowing batteries. One lost power every time he shouted, while the other stayed full when he was calm. The boy began to understand.
That night, he remembered everything. The shouting, his scared friends, all that wasted energy. He decided to change.
The next morning, another child accidentally bumps into him. He almost shouts, but he remembers his mother's advice. The next morning, another child accidentally bumps into him. He almost shouts, but he remembers his mother's advice.
1, 2, 3, 5.
When caught in a pointless argument, he just smiles politely and walks away. Protecting your peace is always worth it. After school, he runs happily to the football field. He plays with speed, confidence, and excitement. His energy is no longer wasted. He finishes his homework quickly. He solves math problems easily. He smiles proudly with full energy.
I was just walking along. He immediately helped him. Thank you so much. Kindness makes a difference.
Let's get moving! Keep it up. You're doing great. Almost there. Full power.
Come on, join us.
Don't worry, we can do this. Pass it to me. We won because we worked together.
He was calm, respectful, and helpful. So he gets a golden star! The playground is full of happy children. Nobody is afraid anymore. He has become everyone's favorite friend. Don't let your energy run on empty. Surround yourself with positive vibes and keep your golden light shining bright. This is the story of my life. I faced challenges, but I kept going. And I found my own power, with the people who love me by my side.